Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our virtual morning greeting. I'm Teacher Carrie, and it's time for us to do our morning rituals. You know, first thing we like to do is our music and movement. Gets us moving, gets us connected, gives us a great start to our morning. So today, we're going to do the happy dance. So please get up, make some rooms to be safe, and let's do the happy dance.
Stand up, feel the beat, and let's do the happy dance.
I'm so happy, that's why I clap my hands, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I twist my hips, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I'm watching plays, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I wave my arms, because I'm feeling happy. Happy is a feeling I like to feel, and I like to spread it too. Oh yeah, I'm happy just to be here singing a song and dancing along with you. Oh yeah, dance your happy up, dance your happy down, dance your happy side to side and dance it all around. Dance your happy up, dance your happy down, dance your happy side to side and dance it all around. I'm so happy, that's why I clap my hands, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I twist my hips, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I'm watching plays, because I'm feeling happy. I'm so happy, that's why I wave my arms, because I'm feeling happy. Happy is a feeling I like to feel, and I like to spread it too. Oh yeah, I'm happy just to be here singing a song and dancing along with you. Oh yeah, dance your happy up, dance your happy down, dance your happy side to side and dance it all around. Dance your happy up, dance your happy down, dance your happy side to side and dance it all around.
I just love singing and dancing to that song, don't you guys? Now, after our music and movement, I like to do our Wish You Well board. Now, if you have a Wish You Well heart at home, now's a good time. Take that heart, place it on your chest. I'm going to be using our Wish You Well board we have here in the classroom. Now, the very first one I'm going to grab is our pictures of our family. I'm going to take their picture, put them in the middle of the heart, focusing my thoughts to my heart and my chest, taking a deep breath, and telling them, we wish you well. Then I'm going to take our pictures of our school family, put them in the middle of the heart, focusing my thoughts to my heart, taking a deep breath, and telling them, we wish you well. Now, is there somebody you would like to wish well today? Think about them really hard, focusing your thoughts to your heart, taking that deep breath, and telling them, we wish you well. We hope they're having a good start to their day too. After our wish you well, I like to do our kindness pledge. That's our promise to be kind to everyone we meet today. So take your hand, place it up, and say, I pledge to myself on this day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big and small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Because we like it when people are kind to us, so it's very important that we are also kind to everyone we meet. After our kindness pledge, I like to check in with you guys and see how you're doing in the morning. If you need to, take a moment and think, how are you feeling today? Well, I hope you're feeling pretty good. Now today, I wanted to check out some mystery sound tubes. Inside each of these tubes, there's different items that make different noises. And I wanted to see if you could recognize them. Are you guys gonna help me? Here we go. Inside this first one, listen very carefully. All right, let's listen again. Can you guys guess what it is? Have you ever heard that noise before? Okay, let's open it up and find out. It is pieces of wood, little wooden sticks. These were actually toothpicks that I cut up that make that noise. All right, let's try our next one. Listen very carefully. Do you recognize that noise? I'll do it again. Does that sound familiar at all? Now, these things can be found outside, on the ground, just about anywhere. Well, maybe not anywhere, but you see them a lot. So listen one more time. Let's see what it is. It is rocks. Did you guess rocks? All right, let's try our next one. Here it is. Listen very carefully. Do you recognize that sound? To me, it sounds very familiar. Let's try again. You can find these around the holidays very often. All right, I'm going to shake it one more time. All right, what did you guess? Let's see if you got it. It was a bunch of jingle bells. All right, guys, that's all the time we have this morning. A few reminders before I go. Make sure you're brushing those teeth 2 times a day for 2 minutes each time. Make sure you're washing those hands for at least 20 seconds singing our tops and bottom songs. Be safe, be kind, be helpful, and as always, I wish you well. Bye, guys.